To establish an SQLite storage connection, open the Write Management console and click on Storage Connections. You don't need to install SQLite as the software will provide everything that is needed. Now click on New Connection and enter the preferred connection name as well as a description if needed. Set the database to SQLite 3 and provide a path. The path can be either absolute or relative. Add a backslash at the end and enter the connection name. End the pad with a .SQLite. Now please press Test Connection, and if the connection is successful, press Save. It is now possible to see the database within the Explorer that is established.